Hey everybody, welcome back to 164land. Today we just have a quick miscellaneous unboxing. It's an order of GreenLight I placed through policecarmodels.com. That's Jeff over there. Does a great job. Always utilize him. If I ever pull a chase from 3000 Toys GreenLight unboxings, usually I order the regular one through Jeff or various other ones. You know, it's a good resource to have. You always want to have more than one place that you get your diecast from, right? Spread the wealth. All right, so as I said, it's going to be a miscellaneous GreenLight here. I don't remember what we got, but it looks like there's a good amount in here. So we'll just do this real quick. Unfortunately, it's with packing peanuts, and they're just gonna go everywhere. They're the worst. All right, anyway, first up is the Carabineros de Chile. This is a nice ongoing hobby exclusive here. And this time we have 2018 Silverado Z71 in a matte green there. It's got the red light bar on top. Nice license plate in the front there. So pretty neat here. Up to now, there's probably about 7 or 8 of these, and they're usually always in this color, except for there's a Ram 3500 flatbed in like a flat brown or tan rather. All right, so next up, static electricity. So I ended up ordering a few of these Highway Patrol Tahoes because first off, they're awesome. And second, the one I opened before, I didn't realize the light bar was all screwed up, and I wanted to replace it. So this one looks pretty good. But again, before I crack any of these open, I'm really gonna look over them closely. So I'm not gonna pull them all out. I think I ordered 6 or 7 of them, or actually, okay. So I might have ordered 9 or 10 of them, but that's fine, right? That's fine. So anyway, there's only 2 other cars left then for this unboxing here. Again, just a quick one. This is the Railroad Police here. It's a hobby exclusive 2015 Ford Police Interceptor utility. This is nice. I only ordered one of these. I do have some parameters, right? If it doesn't have a push bar and it's just kind of a standard looking, I'm like, right? There's no license plate on the back, so it's realistic, but it's not really that realistic. This is nice though. These wheels always bothered me on this casting because they're kind of sporty. They're not really police car wheels, but you know, GreenLight's doing what they working with what they got, and those are the wheels that came on this Explorer for their casting database there. So last one here we're gonna pull is it's a Miho exclusive. It's the 69 Chevy C30 dually wrecker in CHP with the little guy here. I'm pretty sure I don't have this, but I ordered it just to be on the safe side. But I'm pretty sure I don't have this already. So nice little classic tow truck. Says Highway Patrol on the back there if you can see it, and not bad, right? Nice little piece to have in the collection. Okay, and as I said, the rest of these are just CHP Explorer. I'm sorry, CHP Tahoes. So no sense in pulling them all out and having these packing peanuts go everywhere. So thanks for watching this unboxing here from Police Car Models, and until next time, ciao.